Welcome to all. Now I am tell about to protect your liver. You can eat a healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet with a fiber, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and a healthy fats. Limit a high calorie meals, saturated fat, refined carbohydrates, and sugar. Limit alcohol. Limit your alcohol consumptions to two drink per for women and three drinks per day for men. Avoid toxins. Limit your exposure to toxins like cleaning supplies, chemicals, and tobacco products. Stay up to date on shots. Get vaccinated against hepatitis A and B, C. Avoid sharing personal items. Do not share needles, razors, toothbrushes, or other personal items. Exercise regularly. Exercise to maintain a healthy weight and decrease your risk of developing non alcoholic fatty liver disease. Be careful about medications. Talk with your healthcare provider about the medicines you are taking, including over the counter products. Hydrate, drink a lot of water. Some foods that may help protect your liver include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower. Oatmeal and other high fiber whole grains like brown rice, unbuttered popcorn, and 100% whole wheat bread. Whole grapes and grape seed extract supplement grapefruit. Thank you.